Abiding by human rights laws and workplace safety and labor laws are both important and mandatory, but on certain occasions, they can clash. How do you accommodate workers' religious rights and medical conditions if they're conflicting with safety? Neena Gupta, partner at Gowling WLG, explains how to mitigate and deal with these types of situations.
So it's a process. For example, the religious Sikh who can't wear protective equipment because it can't fit properly, doesn't meet your fit test. So how do we actually deal with that? Because you have two really important values: people's rights to follow their religion of choice in a way that isn't hampered, versus our obligation as employers to make sure that we have a safe workplace for workers. They're most often resolved, thankfully, at the company level. So, for example, if there is a PPE issue, in most cases, a company can source another device that does the same job. It might be a little bit more expensive, it may not be standard, but it'll work. It's very rare for these issues to actually end up in litigation. The one issue that is becoming really difficult is the use of medical marijuana and the concerns about impairment in the workplace and safety. Those issues, I anticipate, will ultimately have to get litigated because we don't know what the rules are yet. Often when you find that you can't resolve it by getting another device or adjusting things in the workplace, you do have to unfortunately consult a lawyer or a health and safety expert. The other thing that is very helpful is there is a model policy for a safe workplace which resolves or tries to resolve the issues of drug and alcohol in the workplace. That's not a legal standard, but there's a lot of great detail about how companies could try to deal with those issues in their workplace.
Gupta adds that while situations could escalate at the legal level, it's best for employers to try and resolve things before getting to that point.
I really emphasize the importance of training, the training of workers, understanding what it is to have a safe workplace, training of frontline supervisors as to what they should do if they are confronted with a situation or they're asked about an accommodation issue. My recommendation is, of course, to try to resolve things at the workplace, but not to hesitate to reach out to a lawyer or a safety consultant if you're reaching an impasse. The one thing employers should not do is fire or demote or deny accommodation without making sure they've really done their homework.
For more health and safety videos, visit us at cos-mag.com. You can also subscribe to our new YouTube channel for videos tailored to safety professionals. Our other new channel, Safety Tips for Workers, provides you with videos you can share with your workforce to help them get engaged in safety. For Canadian Occupational Safety, I'm Amanda Siliker.